This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, Vidur, let's begin the session
Yes, sir.
of the day.
Yes, sir.
Actually, in the previous lecture, what we did that how to recognize a polynomial, and then we knew about that what should be the degree of a polynomial, then coefficient of the different terms, number of
Yes,
terms. Based on the degree, we called polynomial as quadratic and cubic. If the degree is 2, we said that the polynomial is quadratic, and if the degree is 3, we say that the polynomial is cubic polynomial. Okay, done. After then, we solved few questions based upon finding the values of polynomial,
yes, sir.
right? Okay, so here we are going to do exercise 2.2 from NCRT, and please read the title, what we are going to do today. Hello, Vidur, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read the topic, what we are going to learn today.
Yes, sir. Zeros of the polynomial.
Very good, very good. So what is the zero of a polynomial? I am telling you, it is just a value of that variable, जिसको
Okay,
आप जब
value.
उस पे it's just a value of that variable x. Like यहाँ पे polynomial आपको दिख रहा है example number 2 में.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको वैल्यूज वो कुछ वैल्यूज रखने होते हैं जिससे पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू जो है वो जीरो हो जाता है, ठीक है.
Oh, yes, sir.
तो फॉर एग्जांपल आप एक काम करिए कि अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आप सॉल्व करके देखिए, और यहाँ पे लिखा है कि x की जगह आपको क्या रखना है, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ
One.
x इज इक्वल टू
Yeah,
1 इन प्लेस ऑफ x इन द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल. ओके,
I'll do,
जस्ट
sir.
ट्राई.
Yes.
या do and find the value. What is the answer?
Yes, sir. I got the answer.
You got the answer. What is the value?
9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay, 5 minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to, sorry, that is 7.
Yes, sir.
12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Right answer. What about second?
Second, I'll do one, sir. 1 second. One second, I'm doing, sir.
Okay. Just put y is equal to 2 in place of y in the qy polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Is it 4 under root 11?
Yes, sir.
What about third?
Yes, sir. 2 minutes you give, sir, for third one.
In place of t, you have to write a only. This is the answer. Are you getting that?
Doing,
How
sir.
to find the value of polynomial? Okay. Now
1
let's
second.
see the next question. Let's see the next question. Example number 3. Read the question, please. Vidur, please read the question.
Oh, sorry, sir. I mistakenly put in mute. Check whether -2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2.
ओके, तो आपको क्या करना है, सिंपल वैल्यू रख देना है।
Yes, sir.
P2 क्या होगा, 2 रखो, वैल्यूज क्या आएगा,
Yes,
4
sir.
आएगा,
Yes, sir.
बट -2 रखने से क्या आएगा, 0।
हाँ, yes, sir.
यहाँ पे 0 कौन सा होगा, -2 होगा या 2 होगा?
-2.
-2 is the 0. Okay, example number 4, solve it.
Yes, sir.
You have to find the zero of the polynomial.
Find
You
a
have
zero
to,
polynomial px. So it'll be
simply
like
what you do, just put,
2x plus 1 equals 0. Yeah, so it'll become x equals -1/2.
it means 2x equal to -1 and
Yeah.
x equal to -1/2. This is the zero of
Yes,
the polynomial. What is
yes,
the
yes.
degree of the polynomial?
So, but how do you get
Is it a,
-1/2? I have a
how we
confusion with
get the,
that.
okay बेटा 2 अगर आप नीचे ट्रांसफर करोगे तो हाफ आएगा ना।
Okay, okay, okay.
Are you getting that?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Is it a linear polynomial?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because degree is 1.
1, yeah.
And how many zeros are there? Only
There
1.
are 1, 0, yeah.
So if the polynomial is linear,
Yes, sir.
number of 0 is 1. If polynomial is quadratic, number of 0 is 2. If the polynomial is cubic, number of 0 is 3.
3.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what about question number 5?
Verify
Read it.
whether 2 and zeros are 0 of the polynomial x square minus 2x.
हाँ, वैल्यू रख के देखो, एक बार 2 रखो, एक बार 0 रखो, वैल्यू क्या आती है बताओ। Just find.
Well, like x, so put x like 2x square like that, sir.
Yeah, P2 and P0 you have to find.
Okay, sir. 2 equals 2 का square minus 2 into 2. 4 minus 4 equals 0. And then it become like 0 का square minus 2 into 0 equals 0 minus 0 equals 0. Sir, I got both 0.
Both the 0, it means both are the zeros of the polynomial. What is the
Yes,
degree,
sir.
Vidur? Is it
Degree.
quadratic polynomial?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Is it quadratic polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If it is a quadratic polynomial, how many zeros you are getting? 2.
2 zeros. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many zeros you will get for a polynomial? Depends upon degree.
1 0. Yes, sir.
Number of 0 depends upon
Degree.
yeah, exactly. Okay, let's begin exercise 2.2.
Yes, sir.
Please read the question 1.
Sir, find the value of polynomials 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals 0. Yes, sir, do so.
Hello.
Hello?
Okay, please read the question number 1, beta. Find the polynomial. First of all, Vidu, tell me what is the degree of the polynomial?
Degree of the polynomial is 0.
Array degree of the polynomial is 2 here. Quadratic.
2. Yes, sir.
Quadratic. Okay.
Yes, I'll do so.
First of all, you arrange the quadratic. Minus 4x square. Arranging the
x equals 0.
Arranging means you keep the higher degree first.
Yes, sir.
Then lower degrees onwards.
Yes, sir.
So this is px, which is called as a polynomial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Px. Now what to do? You just
Sir,
p0.
4,
Find
4,
p0.
sir. Become 4.
What is p0?
Sir, P0 is 5. X.
Not 5, it's 3.
3, 3, yeah, 3.
What about p minus 1?
4.
4.
Yeah. Minus 4, sorry.
Minus 4 minus 5 plus 3.
Yes, sir.
तो कहाँ से 4 आया?
Oh no. Sir, but 3 how it came, sir?
बेटा यहाँ दिख रहा है ना, सारे टर्म देखो ना, 3 तो कांस्टेंट है, वो तो रहेगा ही। बेटा अगर यहाँ -1 रखोगे तो -5 हो जाएगा।
ओके सर।
और x स्क्वायर की जगह -1 रखो, -1 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? +1।
यस सर।
तो -9 plus 3, what is that? -6 is the answer.
Yes sir.
What about P2?
P2 4 minus 4n square plus 5n, yeah, so 3 हो जाएगा. ये आंसर है, हाँ करेक्ट. minus 4n plus 5n square plus 3.
वैल्यू रखना है,
Yes.
यहाँ वैल्यू रखो, यहाँ वैल्यू रखो. एक्स स्क्वायर जहाँ पे
Yeah,
दिख
I
रहा है
know.
वहां.
Yeah, हाँ लगा रहा हूँ.
ओके, ये 2 स्क्वायर होगा.
हाँ, ये 4 और 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 5 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3. तो 2 to the 4, 5 4 जा 5 4 5
Not
4 जा
5 2s,
20.
5 2s are, it's 5 2s are 10.
Number sir,
4
2
4.
square, right sir?
हाँ,
It's 2 square, no sir.
why 2 square beta? It's only 5 into 2. Look at
No, not
look
5
at
into 2. Not 5 into 2, 4 4.
the 4 into 4, 4 square.
Yes sir. Oh no, but 2 square, right sir? 2 is there.
Yes, yes. You are doing 5 square.
No. I'm trying to do like 2 to the 4. 5 4 is 20 meters. It should be sir.
Okay. Don't be confused. Is it the right answer, minus 3?
I'll check one sir. Um, 2.2. 2.2. Which sum is the first one? Second one, right? First. So it's correct, sir. Minus 3.
Minus 3, correct. Okay. Now let's solve question number 2.
Yes, sir. Oh, 4 for 16. Sir, but I have a confusion. When you got 16, sir, where is it 2?
कोई बात नहीं, आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, बस सॉल्व करो.
No, sir, I have a confusion.
कोई बात नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिए, कंफ्यूजन खत्म हो जाएगा. रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
Yes, sir. Find p by 0, p by 1, and p by 2 for the each of the following polynomials. P by y equals y square minus y plus 1.
Okay. So for the first polynomial, py is the first polynomial, which is linear or quadratic.
Linear.
It's a quadratic, degree is 2.
Oh, okay.
Put 0 in place of y.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Doing so, wait. Little confused.
What is the confusion?
Like, but like 0 p is 0 bus, sir. But how will add in y, sir?
0 square minus 0 plus 1. What's the answer? 1.
Sir, but how you get 0 square, sir? Oh yeah, it's correct.
What about
Yeah, correct,
this
correct,
one?
sir. Which one?
Yeah.
Second
What
one, sir.
now? Find P1. P1 also you have to find.
Yes, sir. Same question, sir.
Same question.
Okay, sir. 1 ka square plus minus
Find P1.
plus 1
1 square minus 1 plus 1.
equals कट जाएगा या तो हमारा आंसर है करेक्ट.
हाँ, P2 निकालो.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. P2 2 square minus 2 plus 1 बन जाएगा 4 minus 2 plus 1 तो हो जाएगा 2 plus 1 equals 3. Yes.
सही है आंसर.
Yes, sir.
अभी आप सॉल्व करो 2, 3 और 4. ये पूरा सॉल्व करके मुझे भेजो व्हाट्सएप पे, ठीक है? आई एम वेटिंग.
Yes, sir. 2
Okay.
3 and 4.
या
Now, sir.
हेलो.
Hello.
हाँ जी, अभी भेजो, अभी तुरंत बना के भेजो.
Okay, sir. 1 second. I'll just leave. Should I? 2 minutes wait, sir. sir. Once I'll do, sir.
Vidur? Hello.
Yes, sir.
How many questions solved?
They're doing, sir.
Okay, tell me the answer of 2.
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Okay. P0. What this? What is P0? Is it 2?
Yes, sir, it's 2.
What about P1?
This I did, sir. Once I have a confusion, I'll check and tell you.
What is the value of P1 second? Vidur,
Seconds I'm doing, sir.
is it +1 -1 cancel?
Correct.
What about P2?
Do that. I'm doing.
Is it 4?
Sir.
Right answer.
Sir.
What about question number 3?
Okay.
Question number 3. It's Px which is equal to x cube. What is P0? What is P1? Vidur, are you there?
Sir.
Where are you?
I'm doing it, sir.
Okay. What is the answer?
I'll do it, wait, sir.
Okay. Solve question number 4 also.
Then I'll tell you, sir. Wait, sir.
Hmm.
For 0 I got 1 for the fourth one.
Okay, right answer. But is that 1 or minus 1?
1.
No,
How,
it's
sir?
not 1. It's minus 1.
Oh yeah.
What about 1?
I'm doing so. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Two, sir.
No, it's not 2.
How, sir?
What is 1 minus 1?
0, 2, 2. Yes, sir. I told you so.
2 or 0?
2.
0 into 2 is 2.
Oh,
What about P2?
last one also. Got the answer, sir. The
What's the
answer is
answer?
4. 4.
The answer is 4.
Yes, sir.
Wow. 3 into 1, 4.
Oh, how multiply, sir? I thought it's plus.
Why plus? There's a bracket.
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. You are doing good. Question number 3. We are going to solve question number 3.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
read the title? Please read the title.
Verify whether the following are zeros, the polynomial indicating against them.
What it mean?
I don't like it means if it's zero or what?
Yeah, if it is 0 or what? Yes, this is the question. Question number 1. Find.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't know how to do. So can you teach me?
How to solve? Just see. Just put the value of x, that is minus 3, minus 1 by 3.
Huh?
Put minus 1 by 3 in place of x.
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
The answer is 3 cancel. And minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 equals minus 1. 0, yeah.
It is 0?
Yes, sir.
Is it 0? Yeah, that is 0. What about question number 2?
Sir, question number 2 will become 5 instead of 1. So 5x 5 5 into minus 5 into 4 by pi 5. How pi is 5, sir? Oh, 5. Okay. So okay. So 5 I cancel
4 minus
equals
pi.
4
It is
pi.
not 0. It is
Yes, sir.
not a
Not
0.
yeah. Not a 0. Got it. Got
Okay.
it. Sir.
Okay, very good. You're doing very well. Vidur, now you have to solve question number 3.
Yes, sir. I'll solve it, sir. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay, sure. Take your time.
X square, what number will become, sir? X square is not counted, sir. X square.
X, x square is a polynomial, no? It's a term of
So,
polynomial.
but
You
what number
just,
should we take for that?
I mean, first you put 1.
Yes, sir. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 equals 0. Yes, sir. Minus 0. Yes.
What about minus 1?
So minus 1. I do minus 1 equals square minus 1 equals 1 minus 1 equals 0, sir.
Both 0.
Yes, sir.
What about 4?
Fourth, I'll do, sir. X plus 1, so become minus 1 cos, no, 1 cos square minus 2 1 minus 2. So 0 I got, sir.
Both are 0?
No, one is 0. First one is 0. Second one I'm doing.
Okay.
Square. So no, sir. Both are not 0. -3 second answer.
Array, no. Just put the value of 2 na. 2 is also
Okay,
0.
okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2
Plus.
minus 2 is 0.
Yes, sir. 0, 0, 0.
Okay, what about fifth?
Fifth one I'm doing, sir. I'll do. Give me 2 minutes.
Huh?
Give me 2 minutes. I'm thinking.
Okay.
I've doubted fifth one. I've doubted fifth one.
You have doubt in 5. 0 square is what?
0 square is 0 square 0
That is the answer. So is it 0 or not?
is 0.
Yeah. What about 6?
Sixth one. Sixth minus m1. It's not a 0, sir.
It's not a 0?
No, sir.
Why?
So because 1x equals plus m, so it become like our doubt in this thing. So minus m, yeah, plus ll cancel. So m minus plus m equals how m plus m equals 0, sir.
Okay. Well done. Not m. This is minus m. Okay. What
Okay.
about 7?
7. I'll just think, sir. Just thinking, क्या करें इसको तो रसना px square. Sir, I have doubt in seventh one.
Okay. Minus root 3 square.
Yes, sir.
What is the square of minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, I'm asking.
Sir,
What is the square of minus 1?
square of -1 is 1.
What is the square of root 3?
Root 3 is 3.
What is 1 minus 1?
0.
Okay, is it 0?
Yes, sir.
What about 2 upon root 3? Put the value.
2 upon?
Root 3.
Where it is, sir?
अरे देखो ना स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है क्या?
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got confused. 2 upon 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, so it become like 2 upon 2, 3 into 1 become 1 square. ये भी 0 होगा, sir.
होगा 0.
हाँ.
आपने सॉल्व किया? Did you solve it?
I just like tried it, but I got 0. I'll see if it's correct or not.
Don't think,
Into
beta. Solve.
okay.
What is the square of 2?
Square of 2 is 4.
So what is 4 minus 1?
4 minus 3. Oh, it's not
It is
0.
not 0. Okay.
I got wrong there.
Okay. What about 7? 8. Sorry. 8.
7. 8.
8. 8. 8.
Yeah, I'll do, sir. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1x. Okay. 2. 1 by 2. 2 cancel 2 cancel 11. So no, sir, it's not 0. It's 2.
It's 2. Fantastic. Very good. The answer is 2. It's not a 0. Okay, well done, Vidur. Let's solve more. Last question.
Yes, sir.
Read the question, please.
Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following case.
Yeah. Now what to do?
Okay.
Just
Find
look
the
at
0.
here.
Yes, sir.
I mean, आपको 0 निकालना है. You have to find the 0 of the polynomial. So what to do? Just put polynomial is equal to 0.
0. Okay. So it become like x equals 5 by 0 minus
It's minus
0.
5.
Yeah,
Not
minus 5.
5. minus
Minus
5
5, yeah.
transpose. Yeah.
X is
What
minus
about
5.
x? What about second?
Second one, 0. So n equals plus 5.
What about third?
Third, 2x equals plus 5 to become 0. To 2n equals 5. N equal minus 5 to n equals 2 by minus 5.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about question number 4?
4. Okay. 3x minus 2. 3x 3x minus 2 equals 3x 3x plus 2 equals x equals 3 by 2, 2 by 3.
3 by 2. Sorry,
Yes,
2
sir.
by 3.
2 by
2
3.
by 3. Okay. Okay. What about fifth?
Fifth one, 3x. 3x equals 0. X equals 0. 3.
What about 6?
Sixth one. Sixth one. Ax equals, what's a equal not equal 0?
Yeah.
A equals x equals a. Yeah.
Not a. 0 upon a.
0. Okay. Okay.
What is 0 upon a? 0.
Yeah, 0.
What about 7?
Seventh one, cx plus d. So cx plus d equals 0. To cx equals d 0 minus d. So n equals c d minus d by c.
Very good. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have finished the exercise 2.2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to solve 2.1 and 2.2 completely, and you will send it by Monday.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I will take your next class on Monday. Tomorrow you
Yes,
have tests based on these two exercises. Be ready for the test tomorrow.
yes, sir.
At what time? 10 in the morning? Fine.
Sir, make it 11. Okay, make it 10. Okay, it's okay.
10 to 11. It will be sharp 10 start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Automatically. I will
So,
send you
like,
a Google Classroom code.
okay, sir.
Okay. I will call you
Yes,
and
sir.
send you a Google Classroom code. You have to join with this code, the Google class, and you will
Yes, sir.
find a quiz there.
Yes, sir.
You need to solve it and submit it tomorrow only. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
just to prepare to exercise from NCRT, exercise 2.1 and
Yes, sir.
2.2.
2. Okay, sir.
Tomorrow is
So
test for you.
the
Okay.
quiz will only come by 2.1 and 2.2, sir.
Huh?
The quiz will only come by on 2.1 and 2.2, sir.
Yeah, only from these two exercise. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you, sir.